Welcome to more Zion Music, your front row seat to Zion Vibe. Lalela Jupes is in the building, man. To everyone who've subscribed, thank you very much, man. If you're new here, hello. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to this channel. Damn, who's dying? Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and please don't forget to give me recommendation, guys. You know, Jay, it's busy, Jay. I understand. So, um, here we are. So today we are reacting to. Hang on, give me a second. So today we are reacting to Zion City Ministries, Singaphenduki and Yehla Moya. So that was the guys that must do me. I have a story. Yo, so when I arrived at Gopestanem, they were singing when I got there. Like literally, Zion City was singing. This man, Ogule cover pages Zion City. From where I am, he was looking this way, and I'm from like the top, and I'm looking at him. I'm like, oh yeah. I don't know who was standing in front of me. I'm like, this is the first time me seeing that guy from a distance. I'm like, it's him. Cameraman like a flash, baba. It is packed, and it was cold, very cold. I think then it was around 5 towards 5, no, towards 6. Not as kind. This was around 5, 5:30, somewhere there, bro. It was packed, I tell you. Yeah, it's him. Mina mang figure the cross. From where I was, I could see his face. No cold. I was like, yeah, it is him. I'm like, oh yeah. I was like, cross. Yeah, we just got like Mr. Tukfiga again. Is Zion City my food? Like, bruv, it was beautiful. It was the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. And you know, me having to experience something like this, I haven't gotten a chance to be able like just to be there on an event when something like this happens. I haven't gotten a chance, but seeing it with my own 2 eyes in person, it was the most beautiful thing I have ever seen, and I would love to witness this thing again. And who knows? I'm just saying. big pitizela, but I said a big pitizela. And also, I think Nami, I was also like a bit starstruck with the people that I've seen there. You understand? I mean, like, I'm here reacting to Ingoma Zion. So one thing about me, I'm good with faces. I don't you me. If I see you once, I would be like, "Nyakwazi, don't Gwazelapi, I don't know." So I was also a bit starstruck and very shy. So I there are some people that I couldn't like go to. When I saw them, I was like, "Yo," you understand? I was like, "Ish, yeah, you understand?" Ever it took a lot of courage for me to walk up to Putum Corners Usbu and be like, "Hey, Mfuthu kunjani?" Like it took a lot of courage. I was like shy. I was like, it's just minyaznya pap, I know. But also understand me meeting some of you guys, it's a privilege. I understand. And also, hey, bruv, let me say this. Yabona the Zion culture in Durban. Aye! Thina like since akancane. You guys live, breathe, think, talk, sleep this thing, bro. You guys do it on a level where it just seems in it's bruv. Look at I'm a content creator wasaZion. Ask abaningi like Goldie. Like Goldie, it's not a lot of us. Yeah, you can count. You can say, hi, but nindlula in number. Yes, I agree. But yeteguin. Go there. There you get there and then you go like, bro. Bruv, I don't know what this connection they have. Yeah, but I felt it. I felt it. I'm trying to see if that video of that specifically Labatulang I post here on TikTok or not. I'm not sure, but as Bukula, it was because when we arrived, I think they were singing. I understand, like they were singing, and yeah, Bukula Bon. Yes, when we arrived, Bukula Zion seat. Yeah, hey, yes, I stand to be corrected. Sugar when. I stand to be corrected. When we arrived, Bekulabon, literally, when we arrived in the cross, they were the ones. Yeah, look, let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. When we arrived, yeah, we were laba fucking the blue. I think it's 12. I'm quite sure. They were singing. When we got there, they were singing. Now, go to my TikTok page and like scroll. If you don't posting a 6 June. I mean, 8:30 zakajuni. Naba phambi komnyango uyababona. So while they were recording this part, we just got there. Like we just got there. You understand? Like, bro. Hey. Hi. even have a lot to say. I was like, no, and on this video, I don't want to say anything. I just want to listen. I was like, nope, I am not breaking down nothing that has to do with anybody. But all I'm gonna say is this: it was the most beautiful thing to see. Even if you've never seen something like this, ow, Nkosi yami, uphuthelwe. I, anywho, in the favorite way to Jupiter, I'm signing out. Adios. Thank you.